Hello guys. So today the markets have done nothing but be in a tight trading range. So on 5 minute time frame, I would say this is the only entry I would take. This is a trading range. One, two, three pushes down like a wedge bottom. So this is a good long entry for the test of EMA. Or you can wait to exit at the top of the wedge channel here or here. So this is a strong leg. Almost 7 consecutive bull bars closing near their highs, except for one. So first attempt to move higher, second attempt to move higher. You can go long here for a scalp. Why do I say scalp? The same thing which I told yesterday. This is a technical pullback pattern. I'm not saying it can't go for a 2 hour or 3 hour because this is not a deep pullback. This is actually a shallow pullback. I would rather wait for a actual H2 pullback. What is an actual H2 pullback? I call this as push 1, this as push 2. So this is H2 by right, but technically this bar did not violate this bar's high. If it did, then this would be proper actual H2. Right now I'm calling this technical because this H1 only didn't trigger. So technically this is H1, another pullback, and this is H2 by, and also a structure break. What is a structure break? This is where the pullback started. So this is the first bar of the pullback. This entire range is like a trading range, tight trading range. This was the breakout of the trading range. Even if this bull bar didn't break out of the trading range, this pullback structure, I would enter one tick above the high because that would be a proper H2 buy setup. H2 buy setup failed. So there were three trades and 2 out of 3 were winners. But if we come to the 1 minute time frame, we can see huge bear bar, but then weak closing, huge bull bar, bad follow through, huge bull bar, bad follow through, triangle pattern, breakout of the triangle pattern, test of the apex, again one more push down, leg 1, pull back leg 2, and in the leg 2, if you see 1, 2, 3, 4 strong closing bull bars. So that's a second leg trap in a trading range. Big up, big down, confusion. So trading range price action. Leg 1, pull back leg 2, leg 1, pull back leg 2. If you want to call this as leg 1, pull back leg 2, you can, but I wouldn't. I would rather see this as leg 1, pull back leg 2. Again, leg 1, pull back, leg 2 didn't happen till the point here. So this was leg 1, this entire thing as a pullback structure, and then leg 2. So how do I trade this? We need to find long setups at the bottom third region of the trading range. This is a good entry, but in trading ranges, it's better to trade the second entries. This was the first entry for bulls. If you see, this is the second entry. Second entry's price action is much more smoother. Wait on the short side or on the long side. Here it worked out on the first attempt itself. Why? Because trading range, it's the top third region, and whoever bought this rally, they are getting trapped here by bids. If you don't want to sell on the first bar, wait for second bar or third bar, 1, 2, 3 bars, trapping these bulls, and then go short on the close or sell one tick below the low of the bar and place your stop loss here. Here you only have to swing, scan, no swing trades. If I have to keep going, I would say one more entry, 1, 2, 3, third push lower, also bottom third region. Enter here if you want a very strong closing bull. Enter one tick above this bar, scalp out. This is failed H2. H1, H2 failed. It broke down, broke below the EMA strongly and also broke below the pullback structures. Since it broke below the pullback structures low strongly, you can go short one tick below the low, place your stop loss here or here and hope for a scalp down. If we come to the daily time frame, Let me just hide the drawings. Huge gap down, a strong closing bull bar, again a gap up bar, then it went higher and then lower. Initially it went lower, higher, and then it closed like a trading range bar. There is still a gap here and there is still a gap here. So I'm expecting more trading range price action. We'll have to see how it goes. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you.